It all started with a cube. A cube in empty space. What is it doing there? Why is it here? What is it used for? Who uses it? A cube, a clump of clay, a small shape with no face and no arms and no purpose. Why is it here? It grows, it changes, it morphs. It gets taller to see the sun. It is trapped in infinite space, but it still expands in a space that is expansive already. Why does this happen? Why do we watch the evolution of things? Is it not entertaining? Is it not fun? How do we know what it will become in the end? Is it the reflection of our culture? Does it hope for something that we cannot know yet to hope for? It reminds me of a time and a place. It reminds me of sitting next to my grandfather near the TV or the television, as he said, watching our favorite program. I told him one day I would be on the TV, the television, as he said. I would be there in the black and white with red lipstick, looking like Marilyn Monroe. Who thought that from this cube, this clay piece of nothing, dreams could come true?